Hello everyone, welcome back to Bog's Kitchen channel, and today's video we are going to cook stir-fried lotus root. Of course, we're going to wash the lotus root first, and then we're going to peel it and slice it. We're going to slice not too thick but not too thin.
And soak it in the water.
Just like this. And we need a meat here. So we're going to cut the meat. Not too thick but not too thin.
Cut lang natin siya ng same slice dun sa ating.
And just like that, it's okay.
Yeah. So ganyan lang siya.
We need also here minced garlic and spring onion. And we're going to boil water here. So we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, and black vinegar or white vinegar will do. And we're going to blanch our lotus root for 1 minute. And after that, we're going to drain it and put it in a cold water to stop the lotus root from cooking. Drain it and set aside. And we're going to prepare our wok. We're going to mince our meat. Add some light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a little bit of sugar. We can add also the dark soy sauce. And you can add the lotus root. Stir fry for at least 1 minute. And add the vinegar. You can use the white vinegar or black vinegar will do, and add some spring onion. And stir it 30 seconds, and there you go. It's done.
And guys, there you go.
And put some sesame seed on top. Done, and serve. Thank you for watching. Bye. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.